Do you know English but feel stuck when speaking? Don't worry, you're definitely not the only one today. I'll give you 4 simple but powerful methods that helped me and many learners speak English with more confidence every single day. Let's begin. Tip 1. Stop word-by-word translation. When you try to change every single word in your head, English feels heavy and confusing. Your brain slows down, switching between two languages. The key is to memorize short, complete phrases, not just isolated vocabulary, for example, instead of breaking down. I need to sleep, just learn the whole phrase as one single idea, so when you're tired just say naturally, I need to sleep. No mental translation, just direct speaking. Tip 2. Practice speaking with yourself. You don't always need a partner or a teacher. Talking to yourself really works. This builds fluency and gets your mouth comfortable with English. How to do it? Describe daily actions out loud during your routine. For example, I'm cooking lunch. The rice is almost ready. I need a clean plate. This food tastes delicious. Tip 3. Think in English daily. Training your mind to stay in English mode is a game changer. It helps your brain grow naturally, even if you don't speak. Thinking helps you practice how to do it as you go about your day. Describe what you see or feel in your head. An example, the sun is bright today. He seems upset. Her dress is red. I forgot my phone. Tip 4. Learn phrases, not words. Many learners try. Memorizing endless word lists won't help much. You need useful phrases instead, sentences that you can apply right away. For example, instead of only learning book. Learn, I'm reading a book now. She borrowed a new book yesterday. Do you like this book? Don't wait for the perfect moment to learn English. Start now, speak to yourself, think in English, and practice daily, even if it's just 10 minutes. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more fun and practical English tips. See you next time.